We are reviewing the
straightener. It takes me with my old straightener, it takes me like 2.5 hours. The great one.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel. How's everybody doing?
We hope you guys are having a lovely day. For those of you that are new here, my name is Denise.
And my name is Sosina.
And today we have a little fun video.
Oh my god, it's something different.
Yes, we are reviewing the
straightener.
Nition Platinum Professional Styler. This is the one with argan oil. So it's a 2-in-1 3D styling iron, straightens, curls. So in today's video, we're reviewing it. We actually straightened Sosa's hair, so we already straightened it, and we'll insert those clips after.
Yeah.
But we'll just talk a little bit about what it came with. We'll show you the process of straightening it and then what we thought about it.
Yeah. The straightener comes with a comb, a little comb with the corner. You can part it like your hair, and it has 2 clips. And it comes with 1 glove because it's very hot. You can't wear it, but like I like using my straightener without gloves.
It's hard to hold the hair.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is that this comb is so strong, and so are the clips. The clips are so thick, it holds your hair, and even this comb, like the quality of this, it's so thick. I've never had a parting comb like this. Actually, I want one.
Yeah, and then it's so good. It comes with the bag. You can put the comb here, the clips.
The clips clip right on there.
Clip it like this.
And then the straightener goes in.
The straightener go in. You can close that, which is good when you go like somewhere traveling. It's good.
Perfect. Even to keep in the home. And then it came in this box. On the back, it has lots of fancy things, so we'll just share that with you. So this is a professional straightener, so it's like a salon model. It has INAC technology plates, so there's ceramic plates infused with nano silver, argan oils, ceramic, tourmaline, titanium, all this stuff. Apparently it helps avoid pulling or damaging your hair while styling, and locks in your natural moisture, which we love. Yeah, but one of the things with the straightener is apparently it has argan oil. I don't know if it's like infused in it. I think it's on the plates based on reading that. And then argan oil is really good for your hair, so that's nice. Yeah, and there's like a bunch of stuff. If you guys want to read more about it, you could check it out. We'll link the straightener in the description. So this is what the straightener looks like. To turn it on, you actually twist here, and this would light up blue, and then it has like a digital temperature reader. We'll put it back off, and then there's a little lock switch. So right now, having it closed, I have it locked. And then if you flip this open, that opens it. So that's a nice feature too. And then the heating plates on this are really long. That's what's nice about this, is that they're so long. It was the longest one we could find. So that's good because you can grab more hair.
More hair.
And then it's supposed to be a 2-in-1 for straightening and curling.
And then you curl it. And it comes with warranty.
2 years warranty.
Yeah. Which is great.
It also has a 60-minute automatic shut-off, which is good. Like, have you ever left your house? You're always worrying, like, oh my gosh, did I leave the straightener on?
Yeah, you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, after 60 minutes, it shuts off automatically. It goes up to 450 degrees. I don't know what let's see what you can, we're gonna plug it in. Let's see what temperatures it goes to. So it looks like it starts at 265, 285, 300, 340, 320. So I think you can like move at any temperature, 375. It depends how much you twist it. Because I know some straighteners are like, they only do certain settings, like 150 or 250 and like that. But this one looks like you can turn it and you can get anything 410, 430, maybe in increments of 20. Even the 5 though, because I saw 475. I think it's just how much you turn it, and it goes all the way up to 450. So that's like basically it about the straightener. So we're just gonna go right into, we're gonna show you us straightening it. Yeah, and then we will let you know how we think about it after. Okay guys, so we are about to straighten Sosie's hair.
Yeah, this is my hair when it's washed natural hair. It's like this afro.
And we're gonna straighten it. We're gonna test out how well the straightener works. We're also gonna time it to see how long it takes.
It takes me with my old straightener, it takes me like 2.5 hours to straighten my hair.
Still a really long time to straighten hair.
I think the straighteners, it's not that good. That's why, yeah.
So this is what the straightener looks like on. This thing lights up and you twist this to change your speed, to not the speed, the heat setting. So we have it on 450 degrees, the highest heat, and we're just gonna get started. We're gonna do half first, because then we wanna like show a comparison, then we're gonna time it. The straightener is very hot, I can smell it. Look at those clips are so perfect. We're gonna take a big piece like this. Okay, so this, look how much hair I took. Feel it.
And it's already straight, yeah.
I just wanted to take more to show you. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, straightener. Like,
look, feel that.
Yeah. Wow, and this the whole thing, eh?
Yeah, I took a big piece. So obviously if you section smaller pieces, it's probably better, but I want to just see like if we use bigger pieces, it can handle it. That's why, because it has a longer plate.
It's good too for the hair because it doesn't burn. Like when I used to do it like before, I have to go like twice, 3 times just to make it straight like this.
Wow, so let's feel this.
Yeah.
And it's been 3 minutes. So we're going over it a few times. Oh my God, feel that.
This is so soft.
But honestly, you don't have to. After the first one, it was straight. But I want to, do a really good job for Sosie. She always does my hair, so I want to do a good job. So I'm going to go.
You're doing good job already.
I'm going to go over it more. Well, honestly, you don't even need. I'm just trying to go closer to the root.
Yeah. I will be shocked if it takes like 30 minutes.
We're just finishing the last few pieces. It honestly has not taken long at all.
Yeah, I'm impressed. Like usually my hair takes the one I have the strainer. It takes me like literally 2.5 hours, like 3 hours sometimes. And then I even parted like smaller piece. But this, you can take like a chunk and it takes like 35 to 40 minutes. She just, my hair at the roots is very thick. Like you have to at least keep it like couple seconds. But like literally in one time, you just straighten it, it just works.
Yeah, we're just doing a little extra at the roots to get it super
it's very thick.
Now we're just gonna brush it out and then we'll see if there's any spots that we wanna go over.
I like it.
It straightens super fast. You'll see, you saw in the video.
I love it. Like literally it takes like, imagine you used to do it like 3 hours and then it takes like 35 minutes. It's crazy.
Yeah, you can take a whole chunk and straighten it at once.
Yeah.
Really hot. The one thing is it does get like hot all throughout here. I think because it has the longer plate. So it's hot. Like they have the glove. Yeah. But to me, the glove was so awkward.
Yeah, when you use it, it's better to use with normal hand. But like just hold it down here, not like here at the plates, but just down here. It's not hot.
My thumb is still numb. I don't know.
Yeah, her tongue. Like
it's
because when you press it and then it's hot.
Pressing it. Yeah, and then we tried to use the curler because it's 2-in-1. We didn't know what we were doing.
I think we didn't know.
We just don't know the technique. Yeah, so we just left it.
Yeah, but I love it. Like literally 35 minutes.
Yeah, it straightened your hair like so good.
Yeah, I would recommend it to get like people that have thick hair. This one is the great one because I know the feeling. It takes like hours and then 30 minutes. Yeah, I will recommend this, and that's all.
But yeah, that was all for a little overview today.
Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show some love.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.